Hey guys, I'm Andy Vale, and I'm just going to be talking a little bit about act as if. This is week 2 in Marketing 140, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about how this principle can apply directly in some of the biggest goals we have as Latter-day Saints. We often think of this principle as, before giving a big speech or before a big presentation, such as this one. But one thing it can help us with is also our heavenly goals. For example, like going on a mission, getting married in the temple, being a husband, being a father. And being the father one is one hits me real hard now because my wife is expecting in October, and it'll be our first child. And when I think of becoming a father, sometimes it really gets me nervous or scared. And I always think about how I can improve that my fatherhood, even though I don't have my child yet. And this is a good principle because what I can do now is start to act as if I am a father now, and this can be in all kinds of different ways. Two come on the top of my head. One, I got to start making more time for school and making more time to learn so that I could get a better job for and provide for my family. And the other thing is I need to stop feeding my father. Some people call it a dad bod. I call it a father figure, but start making those goals and making those decisions and putting things in order and start acting as if now I'm a father. And so this can directly apply to heavenly goals that really help us. I hope everyone enjoyed this class as much as I did this week, learning about all this wonderful stuff. And I'm super eager to hear what you guys have to say about this wonderful lesson. So thank you again, and we'll see you next week.